This cleans your drain better than any machine. The bad smell disappears, and the water flows like a rushing river. Instead of spending money on expensive products, try this simple homemade method. A clogged sink is a common issue. We've all dealt with it. First, remove all standing water from the sink. Grab a small glass container and pour in about 1/3 of a cup of dish soap. This helps cut through grease and dissolves buildup. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. Salt scrubs, disinfects, and neutralizes odors. Next, pour in about 1/3 of a cup of vinegar. Vinegar breaks down residue and limescale effectively. Mix the solution well. Before pouring it down the drain, sprinkle the drain opening with baking soda. It neutralizes odors and reacts with vinegar to boost the effect. Now slowly pour your prepared solution into the drain. Watch it bubble and foam. That means it's working. Let it sit for about 20 minutes. The mixture will break down grease, dirt, hair, and anything else blocking the pipe. Finish by rinsing with hot water. Your drain will be clean, the pipes unclogged, and all bad smells gone. It'll work like new.